Boy, is that light. Motion drone. Holy cow, we're gonna find out more about that. Let's see what else is in the packet here. It's like blade protectors. Here's the controller. What does that look like? Folds up. I don't know. How much does that look like there? This one's got all kind of buttons. Up, down, up, down. It does not fold out. So I wonder how you connect. Something going on here. Looks like you're not sure. Figure out what that is. But it doesn't fold out. Say like the Mavics. Similar, huh? Kinda looks similar. This has got buttons up, down, right. It's got top buttons, side buttons. And figure out what kind of batteries it takes. Okay, we got a charger with a mini screwdriver in here. Got some spare. I actually got some spare blades. So it must be the minute you unscrew that, your blades come apart, and then you can put new blades in. Let's see, pull this out. Figure out how to charge it. Got a USB cable. So it comes USB, 2 sets of spare blades. Let's see what that probably takes 9 volt. Probably takes a 9 volt battery. But this one definitely is a charging. It's a charging port. Maybe we'll plug it into the drone. I don't see any place to plug it in. Oh yeah, I do. right here on the side. Right there. I gotcha. Okay. Click. Okay. What's for you? Okay. Gives you a little red light saying it's charging. Alright. Collapsible quadcopter. Alright. I'm going to charge it up. We're going to let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll continue on with the unboxing of the collapsible quadcopter. Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my blog. This is Altitude, and this is a continuation of the unboxing of the famous $99 drone, which is the Drone X Pro. This episode here is going to be the prep. Now, the battery, which is right here, push that in, and then it'll unlock it. Now, do not put this in backwards. It was dark when I put it back in, and it was a son of a gun to get back out, because you get the little locking device here, and if you flip it over, your finger grabs are going to get locked on that thing. So always make sure when you put it in, you're putting it in flat like this. Like I said, I turned it upside down when I did it, and these things get locked. So you got to get you something fine to unlock it if that happens. It took about 20 minutes to charge from whatever state it was at this point. The other big question I had was, do I have to register it? Well, come to find out, it is 0.210 grams, and to register it, it has to be 0.250 grams. So no, you do not have to register this drone. And as you can see, it does look a little like it's got the same design as the Mavic Pro. Small camera underneath, big camera there, but as you can see, compared to the size, Starship, huh? And I don't know the company that produces the Mavic Pro, but they definitely took the similar design and shrunk it. The kind of a odd thing that I caught is you got to pull your front propellers out, or propeller arms out, and then this will fold out. With the Mavic, very similar. You've got to take your front out, but instead of your rears coming straight out like the little X does, you swing them down.